bad they were. It's me, it's Drew. What up, tubers? All right, first let me start by saying I am by no means a mechanic of any sort. That being said, we're not doing anything crazy. We are just going to be unboxing these brand new Alba racing Nerf bars. Please excuse the little dudes here shaking up the camera, but we will get right into it. Alba racing Nerfs are super clean, anodized black. I will be showing you why we are changing these changing out for these. But you can see these are super clean. The Pro Peg setup is super clean as well, giving me more peg to have during my shreddage. Comes with the built-in heel guards. Can't beat it for the deal. Some people gave me shit on purchasing Alba Racing, but I assure you it is better than what I had. Here is, shout out Tiger King, the setup that we were running previously when I first purchased the LTR. So we had some Pro Armor Nerfs on there. They were the stock pegs. Setup wasn't terrible, but as you can see right here, they ran their course. This was actually me on a course here in Southwest Florida. Shout out Bone Valley ATV Park. But bike didn't survive, or the Nerfs didn't survive, I guess I should say. Here's our comparison. Hole in the Nerfs, decent Nerf, new Nerf. And let's get straight to it. So first we're going to be removing the old pegs. And they were on there pretty good. They've been on there probably since 2006 when the bike was manufactured. So I'd have to say it was to get them off. But where there's a will, there's a way. Nice thing about these is it comes with these new peg mounts. I'm guessing that's what they're considered. Clean up these threads a little bit. Was able to get some Loctite on them. Hit them with a wire brush just to clean them up. They're a little rust and corroded, but everything went back together pretty nicely. Make sure we're tight. Kids love to jump on the Nerfs, so I want to make sure that I'm not going to be breaking anything in case I gain a couple pounds. Nice part about the new ones is they do not mount here. They mount here. The old ones I used to have to pull that A-arm bolt out of, but here you can see the Alba Racing Nerfs mount straight to the frame, which is a plus. So then we're going to go ahead and slide this bad boy on to the peg stud that we mounted earlier. Not too many places it mounts here, so just go ahead and, I never tighten things up totally at first, but go ahead and throw that front bolt into the frame. Then gonna jump back here and start mounting on the bracket that mounts to the fender. Not too many places to mount here. It is not super technical. I like to put everything in, tighten by hand, and then later on tighten everything down. And here is the last screw, and that goes straight through the peg and holds to the peg stud. Get our little Allen tightened here, and it's netting time. I guess some people leave slack in the net. Mine's pretty tight, but and here we are. Brand new Alba Racing Nerf bars.